Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to show you how to install the 28 to 48 inch heavy duty tension shower curtain rod. This rod is super sturdy, rust resistant, and doesn't require any drilling. Perfect for any bathroom or closet space. Let's get started. First off, this shower rod is made of stainless steel with a high density paint layer for double rust protection. Even the inside spring is zinc plated to prevent rust. This ensures your rod looks great and lasts longer even in humid environments. Now let's talk about the spring. It's been upgraded and tested for optimal tension, forming at high temperatures to give it just the right amount of strength. This rod uses a 0.86-inch spring to maintain strong tension so it stays put once installed. The ends of the rod are made of 1.9 inches of silicone material, which increases friction and prevents slipping. Plus, it can support up to 22 pounds thanks to the high-strength springs and the support bracket. This rod is adjustable from 28 to 48 inches, making it versatile for different spaces. It works on smooth and rough surfaces like glass, wallpaper, painted walls, and ceramic tiles. Another great feature is the connection upgrade. The head of the rod is fixed with screws and the pipes are connected with expansion screws. This makes it easy to adjust the size according to your needs. To install, first stretch the rod to your desired size and lock it by swiveling. Place one end against the wall, then squeeze the telescopic tube inward by 1 to 2 inches. Lift up on the pipe slightly to relieve pressure, ensuring it stays in place. And just like that, your shower curtain rod is securely installed. If you have any questions or need more guidance, head over to the Amazon store link I've added in the description box below for installation videos. And don't forget to use my special discount code that I've provided also for extra savings. Happy installing!